Hello everyone, welcome to NATUS and Aptitude 1. First of all, thank you very much for your watching my Cryptarithmetic series. Till now, I am explained around 35 Cryptarithmetic addition problems. This video onwards, I am going to explain Cryptarithmetic multiplication problems also. I request each and everyone, if you are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. You will get more updates, that is Cryptarithmetic multiplication, Cryptarithmetic division and Cryptarithmetic subtraction problems also. Here Bob into Bob is equal to Marley, then find the value of Marley, M-A-R-L-G-Y. A simple multiplication problem is there. See, here three numbers, three digit number, right? And what is the basic multiplication? First, you will multiply these three numbers with this number, that is MEOY, right? Suppose if you multiply BOB with B, then what you get? That is equal to MEOY. What next? If you multiply these three digits with O, then you will get MILO, right? BOB multiply with O, then what you get? That is equal to MILO. And what is the last one? BOB multiply with B, then you will get the last value, that is equal to MEOY. Now, sum of these three values, that is equal to MARLGY, right? Now, come to the first part. What is the first part? BOB into B. First, you will multiply these two numbers or not. B into B, that is equal to Y. And what about this case? B into O, that is equal to O, right? And suppose if you take first case, then what happened? If B is equal to, actually how many possibilities are there? That is equal to 0 to 9, there are 10 possibilities are there. Suppose B equal to 0, then what happens? 0 into 0, that is equal to 0 is not possible. Why? Because these two are distant values. B equal to 1 is not possible, and B is equal to 5 is not possible. B equal to 6 is also not possible, right? Why? Because 5 into 5, 25. This value equal to 5. 6 into 6, 36. This value equal to 6 is not valid. So, what are the possibilities are there? The value for B, that is equal to 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. So, 0, 1, 5 and 6. These values are not possible. So, what is the value of B? Any one of these 5 digits, these 6 digits. Now come to this part. O into B is equal to O. When it is possible, if O is equal to 0, 0 into something that is equal to 0, then what happened? Suppose 0 into B, that is equal to 0. That is the one way. And what is the other way? And suppose O is equal to 5. If O is equal to 5, then what happened? If O is equal to 5, and what is the value of B? B is any odd number. 5 into odd number must be equal to 5 or not. One case is there. 5 into any odd number, the unit digit must be 5. 5 into any odd number, what is the unit digit? That is equal to 5. That is the basic principle. And what is the value of O? The value of O is equal to only two possibilities, either 0 or 5. Suppose O is equal to 0, then what happened? 0 into BOB, that is equal to 0. But here MILO, this is 4 digit number. So O is not equal to 0. So only one possibility is there. What is the value of O? O is equal to 5. So what is the value of O? That is equal to 5. That is fixed, right? So O is equal to 5, you will substitute the value of O wherever O exists, that is equal to 5. That is the first one. Now, what is the value of B? Suppose if you multiply 5 with even number, 5 with 1, 5 into 1, that is equal to 5. 5 into 2, that is equal to 0. 5 into 3, that is 15, this value equal to 5. 5 into 4, that is equal to 0. That means here 5 into any odd number, that is equal to 5. So what is the value of B? B must be an odd number or not. Now you will strike off the even numbers 2, 4 and 8. So what is the value of B? Any one of 3, 7 and 9. Any one of 3, 7 and 9. Now hit the trial and error. The value of B equal to any one of 3, 5 and 3, 7 and 9. Right? Suppose B is equal to 7. Suppose B is equal to 7. Then what happened? 7 into 7, that is equal to 49 and 9 is there and 4 carry over. 7 into 5, 35 plus 9, so 39, which is conflict. Why? Because already we know that O is equal to 5. So B is not equal to 7, right? Now you will remove these values. And suppose B is equal to 9, then what happened? Suppose B is equal to 9, 9 into 9, 81 and 8 is carry over and 9 into 5, 45 plus 8 is not equal to, unit digit is not equal to 5, right? 53. So this is also not valid. So only one possibility is there. What is that possibility? That possibility B is equal to 3. Now, see here 3 into 3, 53. That is equal to how much? This is equal to 9 and this is equal to 5 and this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 1. And next 5 into 3, 15, 1. Right? This is equal to 6 and this is equal to 7 and this is equal to 1. And this value are equal to this value or not. So 1, 0 and already 5 is there and next this is equal to 9. Now if you take a sum, just a simple sum, that is equal to 9 and next this is equal to 0 and this is equal to, what is the sum? That is equal to 6 and this is equal to 4 and this is equal to 2 and this is equal to 1. So Bob into Bob is equal to Marley. Then find the value of Marley. M is equal to 1 plus A is equal to 2 plus R equal to 4 plus L is equal to 6 plus E equal to 0 plus Y equal to 9. So what is the sum? Here this is equal to 10, 20 plus 2, that is equal to 22, which is required answer. Right? Here we apply only two conditions are there. What are they? B must be equal to any one of these 6 values and O must be equal to 5. Why? Because 5 into any odd number, the unit digit must be equal to 5. You will apply this condition only. That's all in this video. We'll meet again on next video with new cryptarithmetic multiplication problem. Thank you one and all.